8471. Quick disconnect couplings in hydraulic systems provide a means of A. Easily replacing hydraulic lines in areas where leaks are common. B. Quickly connecting and disconnecting hydraulic lines and eliminate the possibility of contaminants entering the system. C. Quickly connecting and disconnecting hydraulic lines without loss of fluid or entrance of air into the system. The correct answer is C. Quick disconnect couplings in hydraulic systems provide a means of quickly connecting and disconnecting hydraulic lines without loss of fluid or entrance of air into the system. These couplings are used in hydraulic systems to make it easier and faster to connect and disconnect hydraulic lines, which can be useful for maintenance or repair tasks. Quick disconnect couplings are designed to allow for a secure and leak-free connection that can be easily disconnected when necessary. Additionally, quick disconnect couplings help to prevent the entry of contaminants into the hydraulic system, which can cause damage to the system components. 8472. Which seal/material is used with phosphate ester-base hydraulic fluids? A. Silicone rubber. B. Butyl rubber. C. Neoprene rubber. The correct answer is B. Phosphate ester-base hydraulic fluids are typically compatible with butyl rubber seals. Butyl rubber is known for its resistance to phosphate ester-based fluids, making it a suitable material for sealing applications in hydraulic systems that utilize this type of fluid. Butyl rubber seals are chosen for their ability to maintain their integrity and functionality when exposed to the specific characteristics and properties of phosphate ester-based hydraulic fluids. 8473. A hydraulic pump is a constant displacement type if it A. Produces an unregulated constant pressure. B. Produces a continuous positive pressure. C. Delivers a uniform rate of fluid flow. The correct answer is C. A hydraulic pump is a constant displacement type if it delivers a uniform rate of fluid flow. In other words, regardless of the pressure in the system, a constant displacement pump will deliver the same volume of fluid per revolution. This makes them useful in applications where a consistent flow rate is required, such as in hydraulic motors or actuators that require a steady input of fluid to maintain their operation. 8474. A hydraulic motor converts fluid pressure to A. Linear motion. B. Rotary motion. C. Angular motion. The correct answer is B. A hydraulic motor converts fluid pressure to rotary motion. Hydraulic motors are used in applications where a rotational force is required, such as in heavy equipment or machinery. They work by using the pressure of the hydraulic fluid to turn a rotor, which in turn drives the output shaft. 8475. A crossflow valve which is designed to bypass fluid from one side of an actuating cylinder to the other side, under certain conditions, may be found in some aircraft installed in the A. Flap overload system. B. Engine cowl flap system. C. Landing gear system. The correct answer is C. A crossflow valve serves the purpose of diverting hydraulic fluid from the landing gear's up line to the down line during the extension process. When the landing gear is released from its uplocks, its weight causes a rapid descent that hinders the filling of fluid behind the piston in the actuating cylinder, leading to excessive pressure on the opposite side of the piston. The crossflow valve facilitates the flow of fluid from the upside to the downside of the piston, enabling smoother and more controlled descent of the landing gear. This allows for a more even motion and eases the overall operation of the landing gear extension.